The advantages of rolling your own tobacco are many. Cigarettes come in many different flavors and varieties when it comes to strengths. You have light cigarettes, full flavored cigarettes, menthol cigarettes, flavored cigarettes, and you are afforded that opportunity with your own loose leaf tobacco. You can blend tobaccos with menthol, you can blend tobaccos with flavor. All of these give you the opportunity to customize what type of cigarette you prefer for yourself, as opposed to being sold whatever the company wants to sell you. Another advantage of rolling your own cigarettes is the papers do not contain all of the heavy metals, formaldehydes, and cyanides that tobacco companies spray down their cigarettes with to make them burn longer and to make them more addictive to you. To mix tobaccos, the best way is to take a little container, find 2 of your favorite blends of tobacco, be it menthol, cherry flavored, chocolate flavored, or full flavored tobacco, and proportion them equally. Blend in a little bit of the flavor, a little bit of the light tobacco, and a little bit of menthol, and you receive a rich, flavorful, minty type of cigarette to smoke. Very customized to what you prefer. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you decide what your favorite flavor is, you'll be able to recognize how you want to blend your tobaccos together.